Today, we are going to talk about schema diagrams, part of database management system course. A schema diagram is a visual representation of a database schema. It shows the relationships between the different entities in the database, as well as the fields within those tables and the relationships between them. There are several ways to create schema diagrams, including using specialized diagramming tools or drawing them by hand. One common way to create schema diagrams is to use entity relationship model, which represents entities as boxes and relationships between them as lines connecting the boxes. Here is an example of a simple schema diagram using the ER model. In this example, the customer table is represented as a box with 4 fields: customer ID, name, address, and phone. The orders table is also represented as a box with 5 fields: order ID, customer ID, product, quantity, and price. The line connecting the two tables represents the relationship between them, with the customer ID field in the orders table serving as a foreign key that references the customer ID field in the customer table. Schema diagrams can be a useful tool for visualizing and understanding the structure of a database and for communicating that structure to others. Thank you for watching.